In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to craft ammo in Arse Raiders. If you're running low on rounds mid-fight, crafting ammo is the quickest way to keep your loadout mission ready. The process is straightforward, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll become part of your routine. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish so you know exactly what to do and what to look out for. First, make sure you're in Speranza. This is your main hub area where all the essential services are located. When you're in Speranza, look toward the top of your screen and open the workshop. This is the menu that houses your crafting utilities. Inside the workshop, head over to the workbench. That's the place where all ammo crafting happens. At the workbench, you'll see the different ammo categories laid out for you. These include launcher ammo, heavy ammo, light ammo, medium ammo, and shotgun ammo. Think of these as tailored to specific weapon classes. For example, light and medium ammo cover most standard firearms, heavy is designed for high-impact weapons, shotgun ammo is for close-range punch, and launcher ammo feeds explosive weapons. It helps to keep your primary and secondary weapons in mind, so you craft the types that match your current loadout. Click on any ammo type to view its resource requirements. This screen shows exactly what materials you need and how many you already have. If you're short on something, you'll know at a glance. It's a good habit to compare the cost with how often you actually use that weapon. For instance, launcher ammo is powerful but situational, while light or medium ammo may be something you burn through more steadily. When you're ready, select Craft. You'll see a plus sign that lets you increase the quantity. Use that to set how many batches you want to make in one go. If you're preparing for a longer session or a tough encounter, crafting multiple batches can save you time later. Just remember that resources are finite, so try not to overcraft if your stash is running low. A balanced stockpile across your commonly used ammo types tends to work best. Once you confirm, the workbench will craft the ammo and add it to your available supplies. That's it. You've used the workbench in Speranza, checked your requirements, picked the right category, and adjusted the amount with the plus sign to craft exactly what you need. With this approach, you'll minimize downtime, keep your weapons topped up, and step into your next fight fully prepared.